Are you noticing that it's getting harder to bend down and tie your shoes or maybe climb up a flight of stairs without getting winded? As we get older, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, which is the protein that keeps our joints strong, our skin firm, and our nerves healthy. But what if we told you there are simple changes you can make to help your body rebuild collagen naturally and feel better from the inside out? Keep watching because today we'll explore 8 delicious snacks to boost collagen production so you can rediscover youthful vigor, flexibility, and strength. The first snack is dark chocolate clusters. Did you know that dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants called flavonols? These compounds help increase blood flow, making sure nutrients and oxygen reach every part of your body. One serving of dark chocolate a day can improve circulation and lower inflammation. But not all chocolates are created equal. You want to look for the darkest chocolate you can find, ideally between 70 to 85% cacao. Not only does it have the most antioxidants, but also the least amount of added sugar. Flavonols in dark chocolate are known to aid collagen synthesis. They do this by activating special enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases. These enzymes play a crucial role in maintaining the structure of your connective tissues like tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, protecting them from damage and helping to repair any wear and tear. Additionally, the magnesium in dark chocolate helps your body absorb and utilize vitamin C, which is another essential nutrient for keeping your collagen levels high. For a collagen-boosting twist to this classic snack, melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate, stir in roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries, then let it chill. The result is a rich, chewy snack that delivers antioxidants from the chocolate, amino acids from the almonds, and vitamin C from the goji berries. All of these nutrients work together to support your overall health and help your body build and protect its collagen stores. Our second snack is gelatin fruit nibbles. Now here's a fun and tasty way to boost your collagen intake. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Most people think of gelatin as a wobbly dessert, but it's actually pure collagen in a form your body can use right away. Gelatin is made from the collagen found in animal skin, bones, and connective tissues and provides all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and strengthen your joints, skin, and nerves. In fact, one study found that people who consumed gelatin before exercise had 37% less joint pain over time. It works by providing the raw materials needed to rebuild and reinforce your body's connective tissues. Additionally, the glycine and proline found in gelatin help maintain healthy skin elasticity and hydration, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To make your own gelatin fruit nibbles, start by warming 1 cup of unsweetened juice like cherry or pomegranate. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Let it cool for a few minutes until thickened and set. Chill until firm and cut into small squares. You can add berries or nuts if you like. The result is a soft, tasty snack that supports your joints and mobility while being gentle on digestion. Next up is chicken bone broth bites. Chicken bone broth is more than just a comforting soup. It's one of the best natural remedies for aging joints and nerves. When you simmer chicken bones with veggies for hours, the collagen breaks down into a form your body can absorb easily. As it cools, the broth will turn into a soft gel. That's the collagen at work. Even half a cup a day can reduce stiffness, ease nerve tingling, and make movement easier. To turn bone broth into a tasty snack, try blending a cup of warm broth with finely chopped parsley, cilantro, ginger, and garlic. Pour the mixture into ice cube trays. Freeze and pop them out to enjoy as refreshing bites. The subtle flavors will stimulate your appetite and you'll get a nourishing dose of collagen. Our fourth snack is cantaloupe mint cubes. when it comes to fighting stiffness and boosting collagen. Hydration is key. One way to stay hydrated and nourished is by enjoying refreshing cantaloupe mint cubes. Cantaloupe is not only a delicious summer treat, but it's also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C. Studies show that vitamin C plays a vital role in maintaining healthy joints and preventing age-related decline. In fact, research indicates that consuming adequate amounts of vitamin C may reduce the risk of developing osteoarthritis and other joint conditions. Plus, vitamin C helps your body produce and maintain healthy connective tissues like tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Simply cut cantaloupe into cubes, drizzle with lime juice, toss in fresh mint, and sprinkle chopped pistachios on top. This snack is both hydrating and energizing while reducing stiffness and helping your body repair joints naturally. Now let's move on to tomato caprese style snack. Tomatoes are a powerhouse when it comes to collagen production. They contain lycopene, an antioxidant that protects your collagen from breaking down. And cooking or slightly warming tomatoes increases the bioavailability of lycopene even more. Lycopene gives tomatoes their vibrant red color and provides numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation and protecting against cellular damage. To make a delicious tomato caprese style snack, slice tomatoes and layer with mozzarella or avocado. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and top with fresh basil. This bite-sized snack is perfect for boosting collagen and provides a unique combination of flavor, texture, and nutrients. Enjoy this snack for a refreshing and powerful snack that supports joint, nerve, and skin health. Our sixth snack is the guava yogurt bowl. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. Just one fruit can provide more than double your daily requirements. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, and studies show that a deficiency in vitamin C can lead to joint pain and weaken blood vessels. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. The combination of these two ingredients makes a powerful anti-aging duo. To make a delicious guava yogurt bowl, chop ripe guava into Greek yogurt, drizzle with honey, add lime juice, and top with nuts. This snack is a true multitasker, fighting stiffness, boosting energy, and aiding tissue repair. Let's move on to our seventh snack, Kiwi Crunch Snack. Kiwis are not just a delightful addition to your fruit salad, they're also a vitamin C powerhouse, containing nearly 3 times more vitamin C than oranges. Consuming kiwis regularly can enhance collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and strengthen your immune system. To make a kiwi crunch snack, simply slice kiwi and sprinkle with toasted almonds or walnuts. Add a pinch of chili flakes or sea salt for a zesty kick. This crunchy snack is perfect for combating stiffness and promoting healthy joints. And finally, our eighth snack is pineapple nut bites. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and speeds up digestion. Bromelain is particularly effective at relieving joint pain and swelling, making it an excellent addition to your anti-aging toolkit. Combining pineapple with nuts like cashews or macadamia nuts creates a delicious snack that supports collagen production. To make pineapple nut bites, blend pineapple chunks with cashews or macadamia nuts and sprinkle with cinnamon and mint. These bites are not only tasty, but also rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients. Enjoy them as a healthy snack for a boost of energy and collagen support. And there you have it, 8 powerful snacks to help you rebuild collagen naturally and support healthy joints, glowing skin, and strong nerves. Remember, incorporating a variety of these collagen-boosting snacks into your daily routine can make a significant difference in how you feel and look over time. Don't wait another day to start feeling like new. Begin by adding just one of these snacks to your day. Small, consistent changes can make a huge difference in how you feel. And remember, it's never too late to make positive changes for a better, brighter future. So try out these delicious and nutritious snacks and experience the transformative power of real food. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.